Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Adrian with another release for Avo. We're releasing 2.36 today. We have two cool features I want to show you and a few fixes and tweaks we've done to the platform. So stop checking the license if in the test environment. That's exactly what it says. We'll stop checking for in tests so the test can be faster. We have some minor tweaks here, just some visual tweaks and one code linting issue. Next, moving to the bug fixes. Stored as for location field broken. Yeah, so when we push the location field, somehow the stored as option did not work, and some of you complained, and it's on us. It was a bug on our side, so now it works properly. Hide tags field on community license. Yep, so this ate maybe an hour of support, and somebody else had struggled with figuring out why the tags field did not work in production. So they had the community license, which doesn't include the tags field. So instead of, I don't know what happened there, I thought the field was supposed to be hidden, but it wasn't. So it was visible, but it wasn't working properly. So that was kind of frustrating. Sorry, that's on us. So now we're hiding the tags field if you're on the community license. Menu icons on community. Okay, yeah, so this was a fix for this feature. So adding icon to menu items. Yep, so again, this is just what it says. You'll be able to add icons to regular items on a menu bar. Before, only the sections got items, but now you can add them on dashboards, on resources, and on regular links as well. So that's cool. Thank you so much. Yep, rock for this PR. We love it. And another feature, format using and update using. So you probably are used to format using. So this was a helper, a block that would run whenever you would like to change before the field was displayed on the UI. So if you wanted to change the field somehow, make it a link, or in this case, generate, transform it into a JSON, you could have done that. So now we are adding update using, which does the reverse. So whenever you hit the save button, before saving it to before populating it to the model, and that would be saved to the database, we just run this block over that. So you have access to record, resource, value, which is the actual value from this code. And what else? Everything you're used to, like view context and request params, everything you need. So you can do things like, if view is edit, you can do this, or otherwise just leave it be. Now there is a breaking change here. Before, the format using was receiving the let me just show you. So okay, so before language Ruby, before this was like this, and it would receive the value param, and then you would use it. But now you don't have to use it anymore. So you have access to it by default. So you can have like the record, you'll have the resource, you'll have the view, and also the params if you need to. So anything you need to better display this data, you can do that. And the same thing, you have it in update using. So again, update using is going to run this block before populating to the model when you hit save. And format using is the other way around, before it's shown in the UI. So you can do that. And now another breaking change is that the format using is now applied on all views. So before, I think it wasn't applied on the forms, but now it's applied everywhere. So you can change that using the view. Yep, that's about it for today. If you want to check out how Brighton Ruby was, I wrote a tiny blog post on my blog. You'll have it in this release notes. You'll see what the talks were like, how the socializing was like, and spoiler alert, it was cool. So that's cool. So that's about it for today. Short video. We're working on Avo 3. We want to release a public beta very soon. So stick around to see that. Thank you so much for being awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.